Disaster Day is a way where students at Marib College can role play an emergency. It's the acting that really immerses the student into that role. It's controlled chaos.
We simulated that there was a hurricane disaster and that patients had been kind of strewn across the field.
With our crew, with one single bin with all of our equipment in there, got to go out and experience a Category 4 hurricane disaster.
No amount of textbook can ever teach what real-life clinical simulation can do.
It was incredibly chaotic, but it was also very, very informative and very, very rewarding. If everyone's not communicating, if everyone's not working together and utilizing each person's strength and trusting their gut, then you might have people that you could have saved, but you didn't just because of lack of communication.
Such a blessing that all of these stakeholders from our community, from Southwest Florida, even from statewide, wanted to come and help us. It allowed us to work alongside them in a sense for our students to kind of see from a professional standpoint, like, this is what you could do.
It was great to see everyone come together like this, and I think it gave us a real taste of what the real world is like, where, you know, you're not an island, you're a team.